Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something that could seriously jeopardize your online privacy, Terabox. It markets itself as a free cloud storage service, offering 1 TB of space, but there's a dangerous catch. Terabox might seem like a great deal, but when you sign up, you're not just storing files. You're giving the app full access to your device, everything from your photos to personal documents. Why would a cloud storage service need that kind of access? That's the first red flag. But it gets worse. Many users are using Terabox to access illegally leaked videos, including private and explicit content. This is already a big problem, and here's where the trap lies. To view this content, you're forced to sign up for Terabox. And in doing so, you're granting the app access to everything on your device. Once Terabox has access to your device, it could upload your private photos, videos, and documents without your knowledge. If you have anything on your device you wouldn't want to go public, you're at serious risk. Imagine your private photos, confidential files, or even sensitive videos being shared online. Unfortunately, data breaches are common, and Terabox could be the gateway for your data to get into the wrong hands. So, what should you do? First, stop using Terabox. If you're signed up, delete your account and remove the app. Second, review app permissions. Check what access you're granting to apps on your phone and revoke unnecessary permissions. Third, use trusted services. Stick to reputable cloud providers like Google Drive or Dropbox. Fourth, stay informed. Be cautious about what you upload and always protect your privacy. Your privacy is too important to risk. Stop using Terabox and protect your personal data. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and don't forget to share this video to spread the word. If you are female, stop using this right now and spread this video with everyone. Save girl life.